roses in my business. Lend me your ear so you listen carefully. What you're about to witness is the description next to realness. DJ, I'm Khwatiapi. This is the intro to this whole shit. Go back by the link now. This one is called Pen on Paper. I'm there. Pen on paper. What's the right color? Yeah. Started an edge and a thought in my mind. To a came from my heart straight to a line. With the pen on my hand down to a rhyme. Over the listen to what I'm feeling at the time. I can be honest, I can feel it like I touch. I'm on TV, that's in the corner, but it's child. Over the summer, there's a good about child. I'm on Kiza over, ask for the show on that time. I'm not away and let me show that child. So the drum can get to you in an car. I can push a safe, I can get on a pen and paper. Try to reach to the top of a skyscraper. You could make a shot, you have to make it and they hate it. But in you can't, but then I got my eraser. So I see the relative, you know what I'm later. So this someone in this, I'm not ready for it. Rap city, fair ready to fair, then he walk with me, talk to me. It's a fair that is, yeah.